And welcome everybody to the Daily Space Weather. We've got an M-class flare, large earthquake, and some sunspots larger than the Earth itself. So join us for today's Daily Space Weather video, a regular feature here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. So the first thing we're looking at here is the composite imagery in 171 and 304 angstroms, ionized iron and helium from the Solar Dynamics Observatory. And you can see up here, there was an M-class solar flare early this morning. No earthly coronal mass ejection from it, but there is an earthly coronal mass ejection from here. Make sure you watch our other videos. We'll be releasing a few today. Next is our colorized magnetogram from the SDO. And we've got as many as 10 named sunspot groups and a new group rising. It's very high latitude here, meaning close to the pole or far from the equator. It's where that M-class flare happened. Also some odd absorption features showing up there. Here's the 94 angstroms view. This is one of the best wavelengths to view solar flares, as it takes 10 images per minute. The rest only take 2, save for 131 angstroms. Interestingly, when we look at this solar flare closely, we see some features we were not expecting to see. There's an absorption feature up there, and when we zoom all the way in, we'll be able to see a possible object there, right associated with where the flare took place. So you see this area right here. There is an absorption feature there. So you see all that bright white area. That is a high degree of that species of ionized iron, which emits ultraviolet light at 94 angstroms. That area right there, not producing a lot of ionized iron emission spectra. Pretty weird. Leave us a comment if you have an idea of what that could be. One of the weirder phenomenon that we've seen on the channel. You can see it remains there after the flare takes place as well. When we look at it in ionized helium and iron together, this is the original wavelengths we were showing. No such feature visible in those wavelengths. So if you've got a theory as to what's going on with that, let us know in the comments. The radio flux now at 106 solar flux units. There's the 1-year chart of the radio flux. It's the black line. And you can see how proportional that is to the sunspot number. Sunspot number now rising again today, and we can expect a further increase in the radio flux. A new significant sunspot region rising in the northeast. Space Weather Enthusiast dashboard forecasting some geomagnetic unrest and storm conditions late tomorrow, Saturday, January 15th, and early Sunday, January 16th. Let's look at earthquakes briefly. Past 90 days included 4 7+ magnitude quakes. Largest of the past 24 was the 6.6 off the coast of Indonesia. There you go. There is the view of that. There was no tsunami watch warning threat issued. Let's scroll up the list. If we miss anything, just let us know in the comments. Some quakes there on the west coast of the U.S., I see. Also off the coast of British Columbia. Also some aftershocks there. Besides that, not too much. A small swarm of earthquakes happening there in western South America. No major quakes besides that 6.6. Let's continue on to look at volcanoes. Here on Volcano Discovery's VolcanoDiscovery.com's Volcanoes Today page. Subanosejima is erupting, flight level 050. Luatolo, flight level 070. It's produced at least one explosion in the past 24. Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai, now back on the list. An ongoing eruption happening there on Tonga. Samisa Pochnoi, not sure if it's erupting. Please don't pole vault the caldera. Popocatépetl exploding. 19,000-foot ash plume over central Mexico from Popocatépetl. Fuego exploding, 15,000-foot ash plume over Guatemala from Fuego. Nevado del Ruiz, located in Colombia, producing a 24,000-foot ash plume as it explodes. Sangay and Revenador, the usual suspects in the nation of Ecuador, both erupting in an explosive fashion. 19,000-foot ash plume over Sangay, 15,000-foot ash plume over Revenador. Sabancaya, sporadic puffs. Please don't fly your ultralight hang glider or aircraft over Sabancaya. Piton de la Fournaise on the Isle of Réunion has increased in its seismic tremors and lava fountains continue to build the cinder cone. Let us know in the comments if you think it's fixin' for another eruption. Welcome to the Neo Renaissance. If you'd like to support the channel, please visit our homepage, smAsho.com. You can find our merch link there. Today's featured product is Mensa, Make Earth Not Suck Again. And I'm currently wearing the Mensa hat because, well, it's not just a cash grab, folks. It's because I live by the code, Make Earth Not Suck Again. It's part of the reason why we make these videos. The hats are quality polyester beaded China, okay? Possibly with stolen intellectual capital from the United States of America, okay? But they are printed in the U.S. The print quality is very high. Mensa, Make Earth Not Suck Again. It's up to you. Please do your part. If you'd like to support the channel, become a member of the Smash team. We've replaced Patreon with something superior. It's our own subscription services site. Thanks to our new Smash team members. And we've recently put up a gold level post. Please consider joining at the gold or silver level if you appreciate the content and would like to see it continue to exist and remain publicly visible. That's our first segment of our daily space weather video content for the day. Thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.